The automotive industry is a good field like any other skilled trade. You can basically move anywhere you want and practice your trade, find employment just like an RN or a nurse or construction worker or masonry, welding. Those sorts of skills are great to have because you're not locked down into one area, and your opportunities for upward mobility are very good. I have many successful students out there. They drop in from anywhere from BMW dealerships, Ford dealerships, Chevy dealerships, Midas, Meineke, Delta Airlines, actually working in an industry that they're not even trained, but the skills are transferred. Throughout the program, they work on every aspect of the vehicle as it pertains to an entry-level student. During these times, it's 100% hands-on. The online material concentrates on their academics. When the students come, the first thing is safety. We tour the shop, we go over all the safety, EPA regulations and things like that. Then we get into engines and fluids. We get into brake systems, disc brakes, steering and suspension. So we train them in those sorts of skills that they will need to hit the ground running as a new technician in the industry. Those students that seem to want to excel and seem interested, we'll dig a little bit deeper into onboard diagnostics, electronic engine controls, and that sort of stuff. We'll dig deeper into emission controls that leads to their ability to get emission certified. The internship program gives the student the opportunity to get into a business. Most of the time, the business that they intern will offer them a job. There are qualifications to intern. We make sure that the students have all the skills and the necessary documents, so it's not a challenge for the Career Service Department to place them in an internship. Competitive technicians are those that demonstrate punctuality, loyalty, consistency in the work. They're eager to learn, they're eager to take the next step. They just don't stay stagnant. And I teach my students that they have to be lifelong learners. Okay, this is just one stepping stone into a successful career. And if they want to stay relevant in the career, because technology is constantly changing, again, they have to be a lifelong learner. And I feel that they get the best opportunity here at PTT. The program is short. The training is focused on exactly what they need to know. And the tuition is a little bit more reasonable than other places. The faculty here, we're just as good as anybody else out there. I'll always make some time to talk to the students, the new students coming in, prospective students, and I'll let them know exactly what they can expect in this program. I think if they choose automotive, they're making an incredible, great choice in their life to turn it around.